Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves. Today we are going to be talking about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm telling you, I'm so super excited about this. I absolutely love Alyssa Edwards. She actually came here to my hometown, did a performance. I got to meet her in person, got to hold her hand. It was amazing. She put off a beautiful show. And when you see her on RuPaul's Drag Race, and then when you see her in person, her makeup is just like, whoa, like so beautiful. So I also created a look over on my Instagram page with this palette. I did a rainbow look for Pride Month to support all of my friends in the LGBT community. I love each and every one of them, and I'm so lucky to have them in my life as my friends. I'm so blessed. So I created a beautiful rainbow look with this palette. And I took the shadows and I mixed them all together, and I just loved how they came out. But today I wanted to do something different that I normally don't go for, because I always go for like the purple and the pink tones. You know me, I just love purple and pink. But today we went with yellow and blue, kind of like sun and clouds kind of vibe today. So I'm going to go ahead and give you all the details about this palette and show you swatches as well. And I'm also going to be talking about the new eye primer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one here is the mini size. I did apply it to my lids before I applied the shadows. I normally use my Milani concealer, but today I wanted to try this out to see how well it works with the shadows. So I'm going to give you all the information about these two products, and then I will show you how I created this look with this palette and give you my final thoughts at the end of this video. A collaboration between Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards, this limited edition palette features Alyssa's must-have shadows and pressed pigments for gorgeous looks. This limited edition palette features 14 all-new shadows and pressed pigments, including 11 mattes and 3 metallics. Sephora is donating $1 from the sales of this product to support LGBT organizations. A total of 10 matte eyeshadows, 4 pressed pigments, and metallics. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, a water-resistant eye primer in a light colored base that creates the perfect canvas for matte and shimmer shadows and pressed pigments.
Like Versace rich, Jizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. My body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
So for the eye primer, I will have to say I really like the texture of it. It's very nice and light, and it's not like a runny consistency, and it's not like a thick consistency. It's like in between, and it just applies to my lids so nice, and it really holds that pigment of the shadows. Now for the eyeshadow palette. So the first look that I created that I showed you earlier on in this video that I posted over on my Instagram, I loved how all the shadows applied. I loved how they worked together. I also used that eye primer as well. And once again, it worked beautiful with these shadows. Now, today's look, I love the yellow Brick Road. I am so obsessed with this color. It's such a beautiful color, so super pigmented. As for the shade Dream It, I love this color. I think it's beautiful as well. But I will have to say with this eye, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was because my eye was really super watery, but I just had to keep on applying more and more onto my eye because I found that it was like almost like breaking away after I was applying it. But this eye applied beautiful. It didn't break away, it didn't move, it just stayed in place. So I have a feeling it might be because where my eye is a little bit watery. Now that shade is a pressed pigment as well, but it is so beautiful. I just love this look, love how vibrant it is. And you could also go in with these neutral tone shades too, which I really appreciate. And you could go in and you could create an everyday look and then just add a little tiny bit of pop of color if you want to be like creative with this palette. You could definitely go from day to night with this palette as well. I do love the Anastasia brushes that come in these palettes. I think they are absolutely beautiful. All in all, I think this is a great palette, and if you are a big fan of RuPaul's Drag Race and if you're a big fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards, then you need to pick this palette up and have it in your collection. And it's definitely a fun palette for the summertime too. I'm so happy that companies are coming out with so much more like bold and bright, colorful eyeshadow palettes, and I'm just totally obsessing over them. If you guys go ahead and create this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram at NicoleChantel32. I would love to see all the looks that you guys come up with. And also let me know in the comments down below, are you going to get this palette? And who is your favorite drag queen from RuPaul's Drag Race? Let me know. I love Alyssa Edwards, love Bob the Drag Queen. Met her in person as well, seen Ben de la Creme, amazing show. You know, the list just keeps on going, and I absolutely love them and support them 100%. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!